Hey, what is up, guys? BD here. So here is an Socket app, which is made using React for the front end, and for the back end I have used Node and SocketIo for socket connection. And so this is a small like global chat, like we can write anything over here. Okay, so for to join, these are two different windows as you can see. So to join the global chat, first we have to just give ourselves a name. Like I will just join with my name, Pose. Yeah, yeah. As you can see, as I join, the admin just displays that I have just joined. Yeah, so I can just write. What should I write? Yeah, anyway, what's up? Yeah. So like as you can see, it is broadcast. It is showing in the global. Like if I write hello from this window, it will show on this from this window to this window. Like we can just type and click enter. It will go, or just click this button. So let's get started with the code. Yeah, so let's start. So let me just first start the timer, so I know that how much time it took me to finish it. Okay. Yeah, so the timer is going. So and let's first make a directory where we will have it. So I'll chat room. Yeah, just get into the chat room. I have to be fast. Make two directories, one for the client and another for the server. Okay, so let's first go to the server and set up the node, because that will be simple compared to the front end. Uh, Node init y to get initialized. Okay, so first let me just add some packages that I will need. I'll not need that. Yeah, socket.io. Anything I'm missing? No, I think. Yeah, so let me just open VS Code. Okay, so here's the VS Code. Let me just get the index file. Yeah, it's gonna be ready. And yeah, then now go to the client one and get React, create React app in this file. Yep. It will not take much time. Just get account over here. You get over here. Yeah. Okay, let me just set up this thing for my good, because most of you don't do this. This is a great practice to host if you want to host it somewhere. And this dev is for node 1. Before doing, you must install node 1, like npm, just do npm ing node 1. It will be set to global. You can use it anywhere then without. Okay, now that node is installed, I mean react is yeah, react has been installed, added to the packet, to the client. And so before doing react, let's just complete let's complete the backend part. Okay, so const, of course, will be require the express framework to enter the best. Yep, basic things that need to be done. Okay, so for this is options. This is because to uh, set the codes of the socket to be true. uh, I will show where it is required. Okay, so now an HTTP server, HTTP. This you don't have to install, because it is already pre-installed along with Express uh, on Node. uh, App initialized and get SocketIo, SocketIo, and here we will be setting HTTP and the options. This is the basic thing you need to set up for a SocketIo. Okay, before that, let me just do this so that the server is open. Just do this because if you want to host it in Heroku, then you have to know Nodejs. Or else you can just write the port number. I like 404. You can give anything. Just don't give as same as the front end because then it will be like you have to change it later on. So why have the issue? Yeah. Anyway, I don't. Then just to log it like server up. Server is up. Yeah. Yeah. So this is basic. I will open a terminal over here and I will do npm run diff. Yeah, as you can see, server is up. Then socket dot on. The first thing that we need to do is connection. Socket over there. We will just log if someone is connected, and then socket dot on connection if the front end just emits that socket emit join, then this on function, then this on section will be triggered, and then it can send a call back like I'm showing you call back. Okay, okay. Before just I want to make sure that you have ESLint and Prettier just installed, and it will just take care of all the ESLint and the semicolons and indentation of everything. It will look great if you just it will look professional. Okay. So what we want on join, the admin will just send a message that this user have joined. Yeah. So before that, we need to socket dot join the client to this room, which is global, and so now it will just emit where to global dot to what should it emit it emit to this and what will it emit? It will emit a JSON, or many others use like just plain HTML, which you can send from here only. But I just sent don't like that, so I sent JSON data. Like they will just send what is like required over there. Uh, Message, and what is the message that it will send? It will send like data dot user has joined. So it will send this. Okay. Now just go down over and have the callback called. Yeah. So yeah, it's connected. Something is connected. Oh yeah. Okay. It is on still, but if I just reload, it will be gone because I have just yeah, it's gone. Okay. So now just as we go now, just we have two more socket connections to make. It will be like to send send messages. Yeah. Yeah. So now just socket dot on on emission of this on emission of this I will be triggering I'll triggering socket dot to again the same thing to global, but now the data will be first you'll give the username data dot username and message data dot the message that is been sent to global is to global uh, oh okay, hold on, I've wanted something to limit it message this on this socket dot on will be on the front end for this. Yeah, as you can see everything is all right over here. So okay, let me just now backend is all done. Oh, now just to get into the client. Okay, as React is already over there, we need some things. First is the most important, like router, React router. React router tom and socket IO client. Um, is that it? Yeah. Socket.io client. Yeah. Yeah. I just named React. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. It is installed and it's already there. Let me just check. Okay, what happened? Oh damn! Oh shit! Yeah. Okay. I just done into some different folder. Okay. Good. Anyway, so let's get to the SOC. This thing. Get rid of everything. Go to okay. Import from React router down. Yeah. Now we'll need browser. Yeah. People just name it like browser router as router, but that's no use. Switch and route. First route path will be the home normal thing. Except if as I've made no component, so I will just write div home. Copy this chat. Okay. Chat and in the params I will be the ID user ID. I mean username. So this chat. Let me just run the terminal and can start. Let it start. It will take few seconds. Okay. Ah, here it is. Like, and if I go to like chat slash something, chat. Okay, it's okay. Everything's working. And now, what should I do? Oh yeah. Let me just change the theme and everything. I will do the CSS later on. Then make a folder. If components, nothing much scary because there will be only two components. So just home.js and chat.js. Yeah. Just I am yeah, the shortcut. Some snippets. Yeah. Home equal to props, and if I just do this, okay, default home. Yep. And just return the thing normal. Just return its home like first thing. To speed it up, code chat equal to props. Like, return div chat export default chat. Up. So now come over here and just get things done right. Component which will be over here, this chat, and this over here, component which will be oh yeah. Just check if it's working right or not. Yeah, it is working. And okay, I hope that these things are clearly clear, like not blurred. Should I make it clear more bigger? Okay, anyway. Um, oh, yeah, to be fast, it's like, yeah. So, class name, will be home wrapper. Okay, this is the first part, yeah. So, like, I will be writing a H1 and chat room. Then there will be a input and a button. And it will join. Yeah. Yeah, as you can see, this is the default. This is due to the default thing. Yeah. Okay. This thing is just because of the default CSS which is in app.js. Just get it removed. Yeah. Now you can see it will not work. Let's just finish all the functionalities and then I will just work on the CSS. Uh, so const on join, which will be on join props dot the function for which the on click function for the join button will be on click join. Nothing. So first let just get get the name, which will be username equal to. I will just use a create reference and ref it. This reduces the number of state refresh. If I use like use state, it will be many more rendering, state rendering. So just ref no state rendering required over here, unnecessary. And first it will check like if it is empty or not. Username dot current dot value. What is the value? Okay, and then it will have props dot history dot push push to chat with the idea of the username. Let's try it. Hello. Okay, I think there's some error. Okay, there are no error. Just hold on. Okay, okay. What I've done? Current. It will be current dot value. Let me just try it once again. Okay, just check. Oh, it will work when this is not off. Wait it. Yeah, yeah. Now it's working. Just because I condition like if it is empty, then it will work off. Yeah. Now you can just add anything. Just you can see your name is over here. Okay, this is done, and let's just hop into the chat. Is just wasted some time over there. Okay. So first it will be the username, which is of course props match dot params dot id. Let's just print it like check if it is right or wrong. Like you can see, it is left. Okay. Then first let me just name it class name equal to mm, chat wrapper. Yeah, chat wrapper. And for first thing will be a small nav bar as you saw. I will just name it nav bar, which will have only for now the only the username. Then it will have the main things like chat display, and then for the most thing will be It will be the message box. Here we will have our input box. You can use text, but I'm just using this, and a button for send. Yeah, like this. Simple thing. Now comes the socket part. So let socket. You'll be wondering why I've initializing the socket part over outside, because every time there is a state update, like it will just reconnect and just will like see you have joined every time there's an re-rendering of the state. So it's better to initialize this globally. It will just initialized once. Yeah, so like yeah, use effect hook, which will be run only once. This one is IO socket equal to IO, which will be HTTP, not HTTPS. Your IP over here. Your this is like, and the route number where it is backend is hosted. It is this, and your and it is connected. Let me just show you. It will show connected. As you can see, it is showing connected because I have just connected the backend to front end. But you can't see anything over the front end because nothing is done. So there will be the first thing socket dot emit join with data, which will be username, and it will be just the username on join, and also we'll be sending another thing, which is the callback. For now it is nothing, just empty array. For this, just to fix this, just do this, it will be fixed. And to you must, if you want to host it in Netlify, you must remove all your warnings. If you don't, then it will be not be published on Netlify. Okay, anyways, now that we have the join, now just make other socket holders. This one is for socket dot on get message. As I told, this on will be on the front end side. Front end side, yeah. And now we will be sending username and the message. Sorry, we will be getting the message and username from over there. This is not it because it will have a function like data. And now it is now a good thing, like using plain JavaScript to append the data over append the data inside these children chat display, because if we use like any array or anything for over here, it will have many number of state rendering and it will slow down your thing drastically. So just it's better to use plain JavaScript. Document dot get class name, it was chat display, and for the first object over there, and display, just display box, anything you can just write. And message message display over here, which will be a document dot create element div Okay, just give div dot class name, which will be only message. Just plain simple thing. Yeah, and then message display dot HTML will be like this. Div class will not need a class name because we'll writing plain JavaScript. Message sender, which will have will be the username over here, and data dot username, and after that it will be a div where the message will be displayed. Data dot message. And for more things, you can just after that add the timestamp if you want of when the message is sent or is being displayed over here. New just data, I mean date to local string, local time string. Just yeah. Okay, now just refresh it. Okay, it is not happening because I've not yet appended the thing for, and now the last part is to append the thing inside the box. Append child where message box display will be there. Yeah, as you can see, admin it has joined at that one. What is the time now? It is, yeah, 4:20. I don't know. It's a miracle. It's 4:20. Okay. So now we have to write one more function for these for sending messages. Yeah. So like on send, make sure to follow like the arrow function, and over here first I will have an first just make another ref function const message equal to create ref come over here and just okay if message dot current dot value is present socket dot emit send message, and here we go JSON username which is already been done, and the message which is MSG. Yeah, make the sure the ref is correctly placed MSG, and after the message is sent just make sure to current dot value equal to this ref, and along with the value equal to on click. We don't know. We don't need this. Yeah, on click on. What the heck? on send, done. uh, yeah, I forgot to just disconnect the server. When I refresh it on return if socket, it will function. If socket dot connect connection or connection or connect, if socket dot connect socket dot close, it will just close the thing. Yeah, now just refresh, it will send one thing. Now let's, if you check geo, okay, okay, it is giving me some error. Let me just check what is the error. Maximum callbacks exceeded. Okay, let me just check the backend server. uh, what mm, is adding is binary. Okay, then just check using this, like what is being sent. Server is up connected. If we just send this, okay, backend is not hitting. That means it is some front end error. Okay, okay, what? Log msc dot current value. If this is being currently sent or not. Yeah, that is the currently being sent. No. Just hold on. I think I know what I have done. Or do I? Okay, just this is this the no maximum call stack X. Let me just check how many states are being called. Data. Geo. Okay, this is right. Oh, okay, 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 okay. Did the same thing again. What's my problem? Okay, I think now backend is down. What happened to backend? My god. That, oh shit. Okay. Yeah. Now it's okay. F for F, really F. Now you can see like it's working. But this is very awkward. Let me just try a new window. Yeah, chat room, BD post, PD post or PS post, anything joined. Yeah, uh, and it will be T. Yeah, it's working. So like now I will be doing a speed run over the CSS part. There was speed run. I just stopping the. Oh, let it run. Like let's just speed run the CSS. Okay, let it. Okay then.
You can't roll like this, like.
And so everything is done over here. As you can see, you can just type in anything, and over here it is shown. So this is all for now. You can make different changes like make different rooms for like private rooms and logout button, everything from everything. But this is most simple thing. And thank you for joining. Hope you liked it. Please like, subscribe, and tell us in the comment like what can I do next. Till then. Okay, the code will be pushed to GitHub, so I will please there will be a link for the GitHub repo. Before the video goes out, I will be just uploading the code, and you can just clone it and make differences. Just check it out. Also, make sure to follow my YouTube channel, my GitHub. All the links are there. Also, you can check the LinkedIn. My uh, also my portfolio channel, portfolio website, which is this. You can also check out my projects over there. Yeah, all the projects over here I have worked on and the internship projects. And also like can just comment down below what you want. Like, and peace.